This is my son.
All right. Yo, selfie with the fans. Yo, what's up, lovely people from around the world? I'm in Seminyak today, 66 area. Actually, this is still Legian and the Bakso area where you can buy the tasty bakso on the beach. It's 1 hour before sunset, so it's still preparation. People coming all the time. 95% of local domestic Indonesian people. Even when I was parking my car just next at the front of the hotel of 66, there was 5 cars at the front of me from the Java Island, mostly BPL. So seems like the situation is coming back to any kind of normal. Actually, the same situation like was months before, especially before the 3rd lockdown. Also was the same, as was quite not so many foreigners, but quite many local Indonesian people. They used to come, then the lockdown came, then nobody was here. And now it's starting to be again, and I hope so will be no lockdown number 4 in the near future. However, it's also possible. So we will see. Hopefully not optimistic news as is something happening. However, no signs of any foreigners around. So still not so many people coming on the business visa, or even if they are coming, definitely not to Seminyak. Seminyak, it's still definitely much more alive than I was last time, like 3-4 weeks ago. I was like this and was definitely super quiet. Now it's a little bit more alive, but still not that super busy. It's during the weekday, but anyway, people who coming, they are not coming only for weekend. And yeah, that's how it looks, the situation. We'll show you around. There will be live music today also over there and stuff like this. So the usual Seminyak life. You can comment also below, what do you think about Seminyak, 66 area. Is Seminyak good for you? Because when I was in last week in Kuta, they are not that optimistic because there are walls blocking the access to the beach, and also completely no foreigners, some local people, but here is a little bit more easygoing. At least there are not walls blocking the beach, not yet at least. All right, that's still Legian side of the 66. As you see, it's quite busy. And also what is good news is the entrance here, the gate is open. It's not a Berlin Wall made yet here. Hopefully never gonna be. And here is the Hotel Kumala Pantai security waiting. Definitely much more improvements to the past my videos from the, well, obviously past 3-4 months. That's already quite a long time. Also, they have so many happy hours in all of these restaurants. On the beach, no happy hours, but on the streets, happy hours. So that's how it looks like. That's still Legian side, heading now to the 66 Hotel Seminyak 66 Beach, and we will see how's the situation. However, I'm already a few minutes on the beach here and on the street, as you see. Did you see many foreigner people? Because I can see only local. That's good, sounds good, but yeah, still no foreigners at all. So nobody is coming to Bali. And honestly, I don't expect when the Bali airport will be open, will be like boom, because that's only a few countries. And like I already said many times, quarantines and wearing masks like this doesn't look optimistic. But the local domestic people, especially people from Java Island, definitely will come all the time, and so many. Okay, this Alphard from Jakarta, this car from Jakarta, this is from Bali, but this one is already from Jakarta. Let's play the squid game a little bit. Okay, Denpasar, this is, I don't know, Java Island, forgot the name of the end. Here is Denpasar, Jakarta, Denpasar. D now, BK. So that's as you see, mostly cars are coming from outside, definitely. And parking here also, the entrance to the beach looks quite busy. Yo, what's up, brother? Jakarta. As you see, and also the bike guy, good, bagus. Hello, bye. Take care. Wow, it's quite busy, really busy. And this is also Jakarta, and here Jakarta. And also many of these cars are rented actually, so I could say mostly is. Yo, what's up? How you doing? David! Yo! How are you, brother? I don't know. I don't know if I'm so famous as everybody know what to say or what's up, or this is just the just an example like this. Anyway, this place here, it's close. Yo, how you doing, brother?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Where's Ali?
Huh?
Where's Ali?
Oh, still working,
Okay,
unfortunately. Take care, brother.
Take care.
What's your name? What's your name?
Marsaf Opet. Marsaf Opet.
All right.
All right.
Take care, my friend.
Take care. Leave
Thank you. See ya.
Bye.
Okay, that actually was where my fans. I didn't know a song that's famous here in 66 Seminiak, but that's also positive thing. Positive thing. Very happy to saying hi to everyone. If you ever see me, spot me, just say yo, what's up, yo, monkey, or something like that. I will always have a few words with you if you want, of course. If not, that's okay. Anyway, that's how it looks the situation. And now I'm just at the front of the 66 luxury hotel in Seminiak, and also quite many people coming inside, and even the Bluebird taxi also. Yo, how you doing, brother?
It's good.
Hold on, I'm.
This is my son.
All right. Yo, selfie with the fans. Yes, you wanna also? Okay.
Okay.
That's what I'm talking about. All right, let's go. How you doing?
1, 2, 3. Finally.
Finally. Okay, thank you, brothers. Okay, this is the 66 Hotel Seminiak. I also stayed there once, make a vlog, and here is the beach spot. We're gonna come back to the beach. We will see how's the life. Sunset is coming soon also, so that's very good sign. Alright, I think I'm gonna grab some Radler soon and watching the sunset. Yeah, I think so, but first of all I'm gonna show you the La Plancha. How does it look like today? It seems quite busy. I see this at the front. Alright, heading to La Plancha direction, which is at the front, this bar. And well, it's going to be quite busy this afternoon, I guess. There are people coming all the time because the sunset is gonna be actually in 25 minutes, 30 minutes, so it's a perfect time to come here, grab some spot, grab some seat. Well, it's quite busy, but again, I can only see mostly local Indonesian people. That's just very good. I don't complain or something, but I'm just trying to show you how it looks, the situation. Also very colorful place, favorite of many of you guys. So that's how it looks like. Pretty nice place, and that's how it looks, the situation. This is the place with the loud music if you like to enjoy. At the front is the horse pictures business. However, the guys over there don't think so he will be nice again. Look at this park with the sunglasses. This is fun, epic. Yo, what's up? You just saw that, the park with the sunglasses. That's cool. There will be beautiful sunset. Heading to find some Radler. Also, I mentioned I see so many local domestic Indonesian people, which is very great. I just think this is not many foreigners at all. If these people what you see on the beach, maybe 5% is only foreigners at the moment. So it's just very far until some sort of international travel tourism will come back or will change and of any kind. That's only what I'm trying to mention. Yeah, I'm looking for the Radler somewhere. Here they are the superstar ladies trying to sell something. So their business is going slowly come back to business also. I'm so happy to see that. Wait, this lovely lady waiting for the customers. Maybe I'm gonna join here. Hello, how are you? Cheers guys, having Radler. Thank you so much for watching. I hope so you enjoyed. As always, situation is changing in Bali. You can comment below what do you think about these changes. Definitely better for the local economy. You can comment below when do you think you will come to Bali, because of most of our viewers are international and situation is how it is. Meanwhile, I'm gonna enjoy the Radler, beautiful sunset, and see you tomorrow as always. See ya, take care.